Go.
Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of a future, cause I never see those days. I don't know why this happened, but I probably deserved it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, I've been praying for my health. Why I leave this earth, hoping you find someone else. Cause yeah, we're still young, there's so much we haven't done. Get married, start a family, watch your husband with a son. I wish I could be me, but I wouldn't be all this bad. I hope I go to heaven so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Having you in mind, it sucks that you don't end me. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. Don't make a cup of coffee for your head. Brings you up and going out of bed. Don't stay away.